Hi, I'm Dave, welcome to the channel and welcome to What's in the Box Wednesday, episode 42. So another Wednesday, another box. There's been a lot of those just lately. This box is a great box because I didn't have to pay for it. What happened was Doug messaged me and he said, Dick from DG Raceways got some stickers he wants me to send out to various people, including you. And as I'm sending you a sticker, I'm going to send you a little present as well. And I will note it's addressed to Slot R, collector of Revo slots. He's used that C word again, hasn't he? Oh, I don't know. Right, without further ado, let's see what is in the box. It's instantly brilliant, look. Mao-Am stripes. You can't go wrong with Mao-Am stripes. Thank you, Doug. Oh, and a paintbrush holder. Now that is particularly useful. Thank you very much. Oh, more stripes. Aussie stickers. So oh, there's a huge one. An Aussie slot car show with everybody including Pat on it. And a couple of mag racing ones as well. Excellent, thank you very much. Thank you Aussie guys as well. I might have to make some bits of scenery to stick these on. Oh wow, okay. And this beastie, I should probably cover that up. Let's cover that up with an Aussie slot car sticker. This is the Shane Hughes Slot Car Adventures Carrera Digital base unit cover. It's like a stand with a couple of sets of steps up either side and a gantry that goes across as a start gantry. Brilliant idea. And I was thinking of kind of scratch building one myself and I haven't got round to it, and now this is here and this is exactly what I had in my head. Thank you Shane, thank you Doug at Magnetic Racing. Perfect, saved me loads of time. So I shall build this really quite soon I think, and I might see if I've got a modification to it as well. As always, thanks for taking the time to watch one of my videos. If you liked it, you will find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, it's free and it really does help. And if you hit the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I post a video.